Value stream mapping, VSM, is a lean management method used to visualize, analyze, and improve the flow of materials and information required to bring a product or service to a consumer. Let's demonstrate Praxie's VSM application by starting on the instructions page. You can come back here anytime to watch this video. You can also click the Learn More link to go to the Praxie website for the latest updates on value stream mapping. Or invite team members from here. To use the value stream mapping app, just go to the home screen. You can see all your value stream maps here. Or you can add new value stream maps by clicking the Add Value Stream Map button. In the setup screen, you can set the title, lead, team members, and other items. The items shown here are examples and can be customized to your exact requirements. Once you submit, Praxie will create the new value stream map. Once the map is generated, you can open it by clicking on the blue map name. You can then add steps in your map by filling in the step information at the top, such as name, cycle, or change over time, value add or non-value add, etc. Then clicking the Add Step button. After the step is added, you can go to the Steps screen. You'll see that all the steps have been added. These steps have all the information you need to now track your value stream map time and generate useful results, and you can edit any of the step information right on the step card using the drop-down form items. You can also start the timer to track the step time to begin tracking your value stream map. While the timer is tracking the time of the step, you can open the step card by clicking on it and add your observations of what is causing waste in the step or other notes. All observation notes are visible from the card view as well. Once the timer is stopped, it will calculate the total amount of time for the step, in this case, 26 seconds. You can always go back home or to the steps creation screen. Once you go back, you'll see the 26 seconds is visible in the step. And the calculation of your value, add, versus non-value add, is on the bottom right of the screen. Another nice feature is the Copy VSM button, which will copy the VSM with all the existing steps and information, so you can track changes over the different versions of your value stream maps as you make improvements. AI-powered workflows also support the connected worker all along the process by summarizing the findings of your VSM, suggesting best practice solutions to issues and creating project control plans to support the execution of process fixes. Praxie's AI-powered VSM helps your organization focus on the customer, map and track process time, identify waste, streamline production, and support continuous improvement. So, that's Praxie's value stream mapping solution. We hope you've enjoyed this short overview. Schedule a consultation today.